Hi, my name is Geli, and today I want to show you a nice little exercise how you can draw a bird in a fun, easy way. Let's get started.
All you will need is a pen filled with water-soluble ink. I'm using a fountain pen, but you could use a felt-tip pen, which is water-soluble, a small brush, watercolor paper. You could use any kind of paper, but on watercolor paper you will get better results, water. And I'm using a reference photo I got from unsplash.com. There you can find many reference photos for artists. I'm starting with the head. The head is an oval. Everybody can draw an oval. Then I go down. And then I draw the wing, and you can see the shapes are easy. And it needs not to be perfect. Draw the eye and the beak. The beak is a triangle. Then I'm adding the feet. They are not complicated at all. Then I'm drawing the twig it's sitting on. So natural forms or natural shapes as this tree it's sitting on. Doesn't matter if it's perfect or not, because nobody will notice later. I'm drawing a few feathers into the wing and darken parts of the bird and the underside of the twig and of the bird. I darken the lines because there will be the shadows later on. And now I'm using my brush, dip it into water, then I take my paper towel and dab the brush once on the paper towel so it is not too wet, and then go once over the lines. Do this again, tap, so it is not too wet, and solve the ink, and you will get very nice effects. If you use a felt-tip pen, sometimes you will get surprised because it dissolves in sometimes different colors if you using a black pen. Just once over the lines, and that will do. Have fun with this exercise. I hope you want to draw a bird as well. I hope you liked my video, and maybe you will see some more exercises. Please write in the comments below the video. Maybe you would like to draw a special thing. Tell me, and I will make a video so you can have some fun. I'm thinking about maybe some flowers next time, some color, because this bird in black and white is more easy for beginners. If you are a beginner, you should start in black and white. Bye! And thanks for watching!